So, if you're like me and you love to learn new skills, you love to like add to your skill set, then this video is going to be very helpful to you. I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to learn a new skill. And when I say learn, I need to make this disclaimer. I don't mean like expert level knowledge. Of course, you know that ChatGPT can be wrong, so you need to fact check and cross check everything you're learning. But I'm talking about surface level. Let's say you want to learn a skill of video editing, or you want to learn photography, you want to learn web design, and you just need like foundational knowledge to get you started before you eventually seek expertise, like professional expertise. Then this is your video, right? I'm going to show you like an 8-step framework that I have used to learn new stuff using ChatGPT in this video. So let's get straight into the video. 8 steps. The first step, the first thing I'm going to tell you to do is you want to learn something, don't tell ChatGPT to teach you. The first thing you want to do is give ChatGPT your goal. That's the first thing, and it's a life changer, right? You don't have to come and say, oh, teach me web design or teach me video editing. No, you're going to tell ChatGPT your goal. Let me give you a prompt that works for this. I'm just going to use copywriting as the skill for today. So you can see something like, I want to learn copywriting well enough to write landing pages for real businesses within 90 days. I'm currently a beginner. I can dedicate 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. Design a realistic learning roadmap for me. Now, if you notice, you've just done 4 things with this simple prompt. You've told ChatGPT what you want to achieve. That's your goal, right? You've told ChatGPT your level, where you're currently at. You're a beginner. You've told ChatGPT your availability, so it knows, okay, this is how much you can take per time. You've told ChatGPT your constraints. So with these 4 things, ChatGPT will be able to create a clear roadmap, something that really takes you from where you are to where you want to be within a short time, which is the very first step. So the first thing you want to do is tell it, this is my goal, this is what I want to achieve, this is how many days I want to achieve it in, and that's a life-changing step. Okay, so once you've done this, it's going to create something for you, and then we're moving to step 2. Now in step 2, you're going to use ChatGPT to build a curriculum. Okay, now skills are broad. So let's say you want to learn something like video editing. There are so many parts of video editing. What would help you and ChatGPT is to break it down into like curriculums. So in video editing, there is coloring. You want to learn coloring, learn pacing, learn shooting, learn transitions. There are just so many things to learn in video editing. And you can't just tell ChatGPT, teach me video editing. No, you need to break it down into columns. So you're going to give it a prompt like this. Break the skill down into the smallest important sub skills I need to master. Organize them from beginner to advanced and explain why each skill matters. Now it's going to break it down for you into small modules. So let's say module 1 to 5, and then it will tell you what each module contains. And from this prompt, you can see it's going from beginner to advanced, so you'd learn appropriately. Okay, and this is very important. Once you've done this, let's move to step 3. Now the third step is to let AI teach you one concept at a time. It has broken it down into modules, but if you don't tell it, it's still going to go ahead and teach you everything. So you need to instruct it and tell it, teach me one module at a time. So if you use a prompt like this, teach me module 1, assume I know nothing, explain the concept simply first, then give me a more advanced explanation, use a real world example, and then give me a small exercise. So you've just told it, explain this thing to me in the simplest form ever. When we are done with the explanation, give me a real world exercise, which is very important. Learning can seem like you're consuming a lot of knowledge when you're just reading stuff, but what actually helps you've learned something is when you're able to solve a problem on that thing, which is why we've asked it to give us a real world situation. Let us solve it and know we've learned. Okay, so once you're done with that module, move to module 2, the same prompt, module 3, until you've completed all modules in this course. Okay, now for step 4, you're going to make ChatGPT ask you questions. You've learned, but the only way to really know that you've learned is if you're able to answer questions like practically from it. And don't ask yourself the questions, let ChatGPT ask you the questions. So a simple prompt like, act as my tutor, ask me one question at a time to test whether I actually understand this concept. Do not give me the answer immediately. If I'm wrong, give me a hint and let me try again. Now it's going to ask you questions. It's more like you finish the module and then there's a workbook, right? There's a workbook for you to answer and be sure that you've understood the module. So it's going to give you all that, and then when you're and now one hack, you need to be very honest, right? You need to answer it. You don't cheat. because remember, you're learning for yourself, right? You don't have to use ChatGPT to answer the questions. You answer it by yourself, so you can be sure that you've really learned this thing. Once you're done, step 5. Now the 5th step is to make ChatGPT find the gaps in your knowledge. You've learned something, but you can't truly know if you've really covered this thing until you've done like an analysis, and ChatGPT can help you do this analysis by finding gaps in your knowledge. So this is a prompt that can help you. Give me a diagnostic test on everything we've covered so far. Don't make the questions obvious. Test whether I can actually apply the concept. After I answer, identify my 3 biggest knowledge gaps. This way, ChatGPT will go through it and tell you, okay, this is what's missing, this is what you missed, and then you can relearn what you've missed and move on to the next step, step 6. Now, in step 6, you're going to be asking ChatGPT to give you real life projects. Okay, you've completed the entire course, right? You've done all the modules. Now, to be sure that you have completely understood this course you just took, you need real life projects. And so you're going to give a prompt like this. Give me a realistic beginner project that requires me to use everything I've learned so far. Give me the brief as if you were a real client. Do not show me the solution. If you don't ask it to do that, then it's going to give you the answer. So ask it and tell it, don't show me the answer. Just act like my client right now and give me a beginner project that I can do. Then it's going to give you something, and I beg you, do it yourself. Okay, don't start looking for how to use the knowledge you've learned to answer or work on that project. Okay, now the final step, once you're done with that, you're going to ask AI to critique your work. Okay, now we want to be sure that we are good. We want to be sure that we are excellent at what we are doing. So we are going to ask AI, okay, I've completed this project now. Take a look at it, critique it, tell me what's wrong, tell me what I could make better, tell me what I could improve on, tell me what I shouldn't include. Just allow it critique your work, okay? And that's the final step. So once you've told AI to do this, it's going to run a deep critique and give you everything you need. And maybe you can even ask it to score you like over 10 or over 100. Give me my score. What do you think a real client will actually think about this work? All right, so this 8-step framework, I promise you, if you use it to learn anything, it will give you a foundational knowledge on any skill at all you require. Okay, now I need to warn you, I've warned you before, I'll say it again, ChatGPT is not 100% correct. It makes mistakes. So whatever it is you're learning, you don't want to do this for something that requires accuracy, for a skill that is very accurate. You want to know there are certain skills that, okay, maybe video editing, it can tell you this, right? If you miss something, you can always correct yourself. But I'm just saying, double check everything that AI gives you, because it's not 100% correct. Okay, and yeah, with these steps you can be able to really complete the foundation level learning of anything. When I mean anything, this does not mean that you don't have to upskill, you don't have to purchase like an actual course or do something. You should still do that when you're trying to level up. But if you're like me, I always love to learn things when I have a foundation knowledge of them. When I want to go and take a course, I want to know, okay, I know a bit about this. So this foundation, that's what ChatGPT can give you with this video I've just shared with you. Okay, yes guys, that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. By the way, you guys, today is our 1-year anniversary at the Write Academy. I'm super excited. So if you don't know, I own an academy, a writing brand where we teach writers how to write, how to perfect their writing skills and all of that, how to earn as writers. And we officially turn 1 year today, the 26th of August, and I'm so happy. In the past year, we've trained over 100 writers, professionally from our academy. We have been able to build a community of over 10,000 writers, readers, and like-minded people. It's just been very good, and I'm just so grateful to God for it. And yes, guys, by the way, our Right offer, we had an offer to celebrate this anniversary that has been on since the 1st of August. But just in case you're just coming across this video, I'm going to give you something, right? So, we have a course. It's called the Right course. Okay, and now this course, if you purchase the course in August, right, then you get a free 30 minutes consultation with me. That's our anniversary gift to everyone, right? We've been running this, and then this offer ended yesterday because the anniversary is today. So the offer ended yesterday. However, if you're watching this video and you didn't know, maybe you just want to do a late purchase, then I'm going to open it up to you. So this is what you do. When you purchase the course, you're going to send me a DM on Instagram and say, I'm coming from YouTube. when you say I'm coming from YouTube, then I will still give you the 30 minutes free consultation, even if it's ended yesterday, right? It's just like a little courtesy for watching my video till the end, right? So yes, guys, I mean, I'm grateful and I'm happy. Thanks to everyone who has been a part of the journey, and brace for impact because there's more coming. Okay. Yes, thank you so much, guys, for staying to the end of my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.